No internet? No problem. Learn how to use Cash App even when you're offline. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So, what is Cash App offline mode? So, Cash App offline mode means using parts of app when you don't have internet or Wi-Fi. You cannot send or receive money, but you can still see your balance, reset payment, and show your cash card QR code. It's helpful when you're in low signal areas, you run out of data, or you just need to check your balance or QR code. And here what you can do in offline mode. Open your Cash App without the internet. Just tap the Cash App icon on your phone and it will open using saved information. Now check your cash balance. So you will see a certain balance at the top and the balance was the same when you had internet. And see past payment or request. Tap the activity tab and view your recent transactions. These are saved from before you went offline. Last, show your cash card QR code. Tap the cash card tab and you can see or show your QR codes to others. They can scan and pay if they have internet. So what you cannot do in offline, you cannot send money to anyone, you cannot receive money instantly, or you cannot get real-time updates or notifications, and you cannot request supports or update settings. And lastly, you cannot use features like boost, bitcoins, or stack. And here's a quick tips for better offline use. Turn on the low data mode. So for that, go to your phone settings, mobile data, and then click on or turn on your low data modes to save data for longer use. Then update Cash App before going offline. So if you know you're offline when Cash App was with internet, so it's stored the latest info. Now save QR code to your gallery. Take a screenshot of your cash card QR code. So if the app wouldn't open, you can show it from your photos. And my final thoughts, Cash App offline mode wouldn't let you send or receive money, but it can help you to stay ready, letting you check balance, review past activity, and access your QR code. So use it smartly when you're out of signal or data. So offline doesn't mean out of control. Keep your balance, history, and QR code always within reach with Cash App offline mode. That's it. So if this helped you out, please like this video, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.